His second attempt on the 1 ball. This time he gets it.
There you go.
Okay, clearing the 8 ball. Nicely done. Pwede niya masira na lang from the 6 ball kung landing niya is yung short side tapos hatak na lang.
Oo. From this point.
So landing ba niya dito sa gitna ng 6 pati 7-9 para hatak siya sana dito, no? Para mag-break yung 7 and 9.
Yeah.
Tingnan natin. Baka mag-safety na lang siya dito. Dun sa 7 ball, ah. Aba, pinaikot.
Look at
Teka
this,
lang.
AJ. Look at this.
Hang on. Oh, would you look at that? Oh,
Coming from the playing coach and the opposite playing coach
yeah.
appreciating that effort.
That was a crazy shot. Talagang sinigida niya,
Yes.
paikot, pabalik, nakita niya yung opportunity and he was able to do it. And it's a good thing na na-rewardan siya ng magandang tira sa 7 ball.
Kaya kahit kalaban dun, mapapapalakpak sa ganong klaseng tira.
May something to. Galit na tong si Albert Espinola. Gigil na gigil para makahabol dito sa pinagkagawa ng Manila MSW Mavericks.